And I'm thank you. And I really am happy that today we have your session.
Hello,
There,
everyone.
there you
Hello, hello,
are.
hello. Hi, hi.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Hi, Ashwin. Hi, Rajesh sir. Hi, Sonam. Hi, Preeta. Hi, Gulab sir. सीमा मैम तो
Hi.
हमसे अभी अभी मिलके गई हैं. Okay.
Oh,
Oh. So how is it going, Gul? Ready?
I went to office. Okay,
Hmm.
I had no idea that there is a talent show. So I'm
Mm-hmm.
participating in that in my
Mm-hmm.
company.
Mm-hmm.
So we had a dry run today and I had no idea.
Okay.
So I ran
That's
to
fun.
office and then came back. That's why I called you. Okay, how long will it take? Remember? That's
A
why I
lot.
called you.
It is going to be a
Yeah.
more of, I think so, conversation things for you. It's not our regular training session where you have to just prepare and come back and make a module out of it. We don't have to do it. It's just in
Of
conversation
course.
with.
When it's
We are
you
going
and
to talk.
I, it's always conversation. A lot of
Thank you so
conversation.
much for accepting the request, and thank you, Preeta, for aligning this.
Thank you so much, Pritha.
Okay, I think so. We'll wait for 1 2 more minutes and then we'll start because we have a lot to talk with Gul. Anyway, people, we are going to upload this later on YouTube as well, so you can also access that. Meanwhile, I'll be very happy to see Ashwin, Rajesh, and Sonam as well because it's always really nice to see people on the other side of the table, on the other side of the window. Yay, we can see Rajesh sir now. Thank you so much, sir. Thank
Hello,
you.
sir.
Okay. And Sonam is here, Ashwin is here. See, such a lovely audience we have. Thank you so much, people. It's always good to see you and meet you. Meanwhile, we are starting. You can interact with Gul, you can interact with our team. Here we have Seema ma'am. She is our corporate relations head from Mehan LND. And on the other side, you're seeing Preetha Mitra. She's co-founder of Mehan Learning and Development. And myself, Shivani Rawat. I'm also co-founder and also lead HR LND if we have not met yet. So yes, Seema ma'am, you want to say something?
Yes, I actually did that purposely because that virtually it raises its hand by itself. So I just wanted to say that Sonam has she has participated in one of our skills fair in fact the last one. So I'm so happy to see you, Sonam. I just wanted to say that. Hi Rajesh, I've not met you before, but it's nice to see you, Ashwin, you too. And I hope that someday we'll get to meet in person.
Sure, sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You would
Thank you,
love meeting
of
Seema,
course.
ma'am. Everybody who meets her for the
Thank you.
first time, they become a fan of her.
Great.
Oh my God,
Absolutely.
girl. Thank you. The feeling is mutual.
Yeah, and also at the same time, for the people who might wondering what is Skillsphere, so Skillsphere is the monthly trainer and HR and D meetup which Mehan hosts in Delhi NCR, and we try to meet, we try to explore some new training and development methodologies and some older one as well, and what kind of new practices are there, what kind of Gen Z related practices, AI oriented practices are there. So we have a lot of fun on the behalf of food and on the behalf of chatting, and at the same time we also
A lot
enjoy
of fun.
a lot of fun and chai, coffee, snack, everything. See, I think so. The training methodology, and I always say that all of these things they are just bahana. हम तो चाय पानी और खाने के लिए मिल लेते हैं. So it's always good to meet fellow trainer and facilitators across Delhi NCR, and also we get to learn a lot from them. And we try to keep every month one theme around it. So last time it was a social and emotional learning, and Seema ma'am beautifully took that session, and there I think so she met Sonam. Sorry Sonam, I was not available. I was taking training session in some other state, so I was not available at that time. But hopefully I'll be very happy to meet you next time in the Skillshare. And Gul is also the founding member when we talk about Skillshare because it has a history. To know that history, you people have to come to Skillshare.
Yes,
I
yes.
would say that Gulabsha is the only source I got into skincare.
Yes, yes. So Gul is one of the founding members of Skillshare and why it all started. But again, like I said, it's a mystery. We are not going to reveal it in this podcast because this is the spotlight is all on Gulab Shah Khan. So let's just not take away the spotlight and start in like 2 more minutes, I think so. Meanwhile, Rajesh, I would like to know more about you. Ashwin, you can also tell us more about you. And Shweta, hi. Thank you so much. So good to see you.
I'm
Thank you so much,
ready.
Shivani. Very
Yeah.
happy.
to join this
Yeah,
training.
absolutely.
Yeah, Rajesh, you were speaking. I'm so sorry. We got it.
No, no, it's all right. Just wanted to say I'm very new to this path or whatever you said, the coaching and online coaching and corporate training. So just 1.5 months, 2 months before I decided, yes, I should also
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Did we lose,
go into
sir?
this. I'm a retired defense officer.
Okay, okay.
So just took my retirement. Just, pardon?
Sir, we lost your
You're
voice in
Pardon, I
between.
didn't
Please
get you.
say. Can you
Okay, okay.
repeat the
Now,
last statement? We lost your voice
yeah,
in
yeah, I'm
between.
a retired defense officer.
Wow.
Recently thought of joining this path and joined one of the our Skillify course with अपना क्या था
Shivangi Narula.
recently
Ma'am.
शिवांगी नरोदम के साथ.
Yes.
So, but by that time also I was not sure whether I'll have to go. Still, I'm like 50-50. But yes, thinking of going in this path. So that's what exploring all new things, whatever come to me. The moment I just saw this session, so immediately I said I should log on something I'll be getting from you. But I'm not like as mature you or senior people who, in this path. That's it. Of course, I'll be senior most in this. But yes, I'm very new to this thing. So won't
Absolutely, sir.
won't be able to contribute much, but won't be will be exploring and I'll be just at receiving and more of that.
Thank you so much for joining in, sir. And
Yeah.
see, I think Subul will also agree to this, being into learning and development and training, that, we all have our own experiences. And this particular
Yeah.
field of profession is something where your experiences is your wealth. The conversation you're having with people is the wealth to move forward and the push to move
Lost
forward.
you. I'm not listening to.
Yes, yes. Is it okay now?
Shivani,
So
your voice is breaking.
she
Okay, I'll go back. Now I
Sorry,
think
sorry,
so. It
we
will be
lost you,
nice.
Shivani.
Is it better now?
Yeah, come again.
Rewind.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah.
what I was
Initially you
what I
lost
was
me, and
saying
now today
is,
I've lost you.
yeah, what I was saying is, sir, I think so. Gul will also agree, and most of the trainers in the squad will agree that as a training and learning and development professional, our wealth is always the experiences and conversations which we have with other people, because
Yeah,
this field is
yeah,
all
yeah.
about observation and being relatable to the participant. And because you're coming from such diverse experience of defense forces, and if you take this path, I'm very sure we all are going to be very benefited with this one. So looking forward to be in one of your workshops, sir, anytime you're hosting
Yeah,
it,
yeah, sure, sure, sure.
because we all learn
We'll,
from each
we'll be
other
there.
for sure.
Yeah, I'll be there. I'll be there in all the workshop.
Absolutely, sir. Yeah. No, sir, I was talking about your workshop, if you are hosting one.
Yeah, I'll be hosting very soon. Actually,
Yes.
training I have already conducted in Air Force. Used to conduct, but the format was different. Like there, you just tell you have to conduct training. Like you people in uniform cannot say no. Just they'll
Yes,
sit.
sir.
Anytime you call them, they'll be there. Whatever you say, this is more of a one way communication. Whatever you are telling, they have to accept or they have to do as a part of duty. But yes, corporate training is totally different, and leadership and all.
Absolutely, sir.
We kept conducting those lectures, but definitely in total different format. And this format will definitely be little different or little more like it will be like exclusively different. So I need to learn little bit, get the whatever you say na city wise things I have to learn.
Absolutely, sir. Looking forward to it. And sir, please let us know if we can support you in any way or if we can help you in any
Thank
way.
you,
On the behalf of Team Mehan,
thank
because
you,
we are
thank you.
very
I'll be in touch. I'll be
community-oriented
in touch
people,
with you.
and we really like when people like you come into the industry, because that also benefits us as a trainer, because there's a lot to learn from you, sir. So thank you so much, sir. Okay, so let's go back to Ashwin, and
So
I
much,
can
sir.
see
Thank you.
Shweta now. Thank you, sir. And then I think so, Mr. Is this Vishwas or Ishwas? You have to tell that, sir. And hi, Arman. Hi, Sona. So yeah, Ashwin, we would be happy to know about you as well.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good evening to one and all. And I'm working as a consultant in Global Logic, and I came to know about the session through a common friend, Vineet Mishra. We had a group, and I got a conversation message, and I thought I'll go into this training and see what's happening in the sector. I'm placed out of Bangalore. Currently, I'm in Kerala right now. So I have a work from home session, and I have joined this session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Ashwin. Shweta, you would like to add something? Shweta, would you like to add something? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. So very, very good evening, everybody. This is Shweta here. I am one of the soft skill student working in Jain International right now. So today I came through this training. Actually, I was scrolling some post on LinkedIn today while when I was traveling. So I just came back from my office and I just saw 7 o'clock I have to join the session. So didn't even drink water. Also, I just started the session and said. So I was scrolling some post and I came to know, oh, we have workshop. Don't want to miss it at all. And I really means admire, you can say I love a lot good, because like where she belonged to before, like Freedom and Property Academy, means I also worked there before. So like I can feel that connection. How happy right now I can't express. Even Shivani, you too. So like it happens when you meet your old people and like whom you have been touched from so long. So like that emotion automatically comes. So right now, how much happy I am to see you all and being connected, virtually. So just being emotional. So very happy and like I can completely understand I'm very fortunate, feeling very fortunate that I just, yeah, so very happy. Thank you so much for the session. Thank you so much
Absolutely,
once again.
Shweta.
Always not a word. Good to see people from FBA.
And
Yeah, same here.
Shweta, you don't know, we are going to use this as a hook to catch Kul again for 2.0 of this session. I'm just telling, keep
Oh,
the secret, okay? She
sure,
cannot say no to
definitely.
us now. Okay.
No, 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 not at all.
Yeah. Okay. Sonam, you would like to add something, and people who are not able to come on the camera, our chat box is all yours because we utilize chat box like anything. I think so. In most of our sessions, whether it is the TTT program where we are talking about AI for trainers, whether it is L&D specialist where we are talking about the L&D and training fundamentals, or we are doing the posh box. So everywhere, I think so. More than the content, our chat box is famous because we have a lot of fun over there. So utilize it as because it's your platform to talk. And if there is any question in between, because we are going to just talk to Gul today about a lot of things, so you can put it over there or raise the hand. Yes, Preetha, you want to say something?
Yes, I actually wanted to thank everyone because I have seen some people keep joining again and again, and thank you so much for supporting us constantly. And Gul ma'am, thank you so much for taking your time and joining us today.
Thank you so much, Pritha. I hope at least this time I made you happy.
Okay, with that
You
thought,
know,
I think so.
it's
Let's
our inside joke.
Okay, so with that thought, I think so, folks. Let's just start today's in conversation with Gulab Shah Khan. And thank you so much once again for joining. And yeah, like I said, if you have any question, you can raise hand or you can put it in the chat box. Okay, so Gul, we are starting. I'm giving you the timer. Okay, three, two, one, and go. ओके सो नमस्ते एवरीवन मेरा नाम शिवानी रावत है और मैं मिहान लर्निंग एंड डेवलपमेंट की को फाउंडर एंड लीड HRL&D प्रोफेशनल हूँ आज हम यहाँ किसी और से मिलने वाले हैं इन कॉन्वर्जेशन विद में लेकिन इनके बारे में कुछ शुरू करने से पहले आज मैं सोच रही थी कि कैसे शुरू करेंगे होता है ना आप अपनी स्क्रिप्टिंग खुद कर रहे होते हो तो मुझे एक शेर याद आया जो कि एक बड़े शायर ने लिखा है तो मैंने कहा इससे बेहतर तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता है कि इसको हम शुरू करें तो वो शेर कुछ ऐसा है कि रास्ते अपने आप ही चल पड़ते हैं रास्ते अपने आप ही चल पड़ते हैं जब कुछ लोग इरादे संभाल कर निकल पड़ते हैं For our English audience, paths begin to shape themselves when intentions step forward with courage. Ji haan. So, in today's episode, we are featuring a woman whose journey is not only inspiring, but it's truly transformational. I have known her since quite a long time, and that's why, while I'm saying this, it's giving me goosebumps as well. But yeah, from it's not only transformational. It's not one day story. It's from trembling at the thought of speaking up to empower thousands of people finding their voice. Our guest today is a living proof that the confidence is not inherited. It is not like someone is born confident. It is always built, it is always practiced and lived every single day. So, our today's guest, Gulab Khan, is a behavioral skills trainer, a very renowned and seasoned professional by my side, and learning and development specialist who has not just conducted some training sessions, but also she has crafted immersive learning journeys. There's a difference between the two. Being an L&D professional, I can tell you that. So her work is spanning throughout corporate training, in the development sector training, communication mastery, and behavioral skills. And all of this she delivers with utmost energy, empathy, and impact. She also had run public speaking and content creation workshops. And in 2023, she also had co founded a public speaking platform that continues to change lives with every confident voice it shapes. So Gulabsha truly embodies what she teaches, and that I got from her LinkedIn profile, people. So she says that expression is power and connection is leadership, and confidence is a skill that anyone can build. So today, I, Shivani Rawat from Mihan Learning and Development, am proud to be in conversation with the amazing, and incredible Gulabsha Khan as we are exploring today's theme, Let's Build Confidence. So, welcome, Gul. Thank you so much for being here. If you would like to say something to our audience today.
Thank you so much, Shivani. That was a wonderful introduction. To be very honest, in those moments, I could recall my complete journey.
Absolutely.
So, yes, today we are going to talk about how confidence can be built even if you have never felt confident. Like I never felt confident until my master's, especially when we talk about speaking in English. But then now I am training people on the language. So I never thought that I would be doing that. So, yes, in today's session, we are going to talk about all these things, and I'm looking forward to it.
Absolutely, girls. So I really wanted to start with the foundation because anything we believe in L&D as well, it starts from the foundation and fundamentals. So, in your own definition and your own experience, what is actually confidence? Because we use this word so often interchangeably, sometimes with courage, with the bravery, and at the same time, sometimes with just being somewhere confidently. We are using this word interchangeably, but everyone seems to define it differently, and most importantly, why confidence feels like a mystery to a lot of people.
So, what I feel is people think confidence means that you should be able to go ahead and speak in front of a crowd of 500 people. That's what the misconception, I would say, is. And for me, it's confident can, for an example, I went to this audition today. It was a dry run, right? And I had to go there, I had to recite the poetry. But there wasn't a big crowd, but still somewhere I had that stage fright, I would say. But then of course I overcame that. But the moment I looked, I have been doing it, I have been doing the open mic, I have been speaking in front of the public, but still I felt that stage fright when I went to the stage. So I think people have made it, in Hindi there is a word called hawa, if you know it. तो लोगों
Absolutely.
को लगता है कि कॉन्फिडेंस, यार कोई बोल रहा है क्या, कॉन्फिडेंस तो बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है. It comes with a lot of practice, but practice बहुत, that's something people are missing out. If you're not practicing and you think, okay, I have prepared a speech, I would go and do it, maybe वहां पर जाकर suddenly stage fright हो जाएगा, and then we would think, oh, I'm not confident enough. But what about if you are able to deliver the same thing, if you are presenting and you are able to deliver that in a meeting room, you are confident. So मेरे हिसाब से लोगों को confidence का मतलब ये लगता है we should be able to go out in front of a crowd, 500 people are there, and I should be able to speak in front of that. Confidence एक meeting room में, for an example, right now when everybody was sharing about themselves, right, introduction दे रहे थे, that's also confidence if you are able to introduce yourself. So confidence, as you said, हर किसी का अपना एक perception है, हर किसी को लगता है कि ये confidence है, because of the perspective. We all are humans, we have different perspectives. So I think first of all we need to understand if you are able to deliver something in front of 15 people, you are confident. It doesn't have to be that you're
you are going and in front of 500 people, वही confidence नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. एक stranger से भी जब हम बात करते हैं, you need confidence. I have seen Shivani. She goes out and she can talk to any stranger. वो भी confidence होता है. कई बार ऐसा होता है that you want to ask about the maybe एक रास्ता पूछना है कहाँ पर, and then you think a lot, किससे पूछूं ना पूछूं. That's also confidence. That's what I feel.
Absolutely, Gul, and I completely agree. I couldn't agree more. But the thing is, I'm loving it because you not only told us the definition of confidence, was also covered a lot of myths, common myths people carry around confidence. But this brings me to another question, Gul. Whenever there is a concept, there is another concept called overconfidence. So, what is overconfident in that case? Like, how do you define someone that, okay, this person is overconfident on something they are doing?
So, overconfidence, what I feel when people are overconfident, they stop taking the feedback.
Absolutely.
So, for an example, if I become overconfident, I am a trainer and I'll be like, हाँ मैं तो मेरी training सारी बहुत अच्छी होती हैं. I am not open to the feedback. I think I'm being overconfident because there is always some room for learning.
Absolutely.
कहीं ना कहीं आपका फीडबैक होगा, आपको बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें, बट कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ रह जाता है. तो फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, इवन इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आमिर खान, उनको तो मिस्टर परफेक्शनिस्ट बोला जाता है, बट स्टिल देयर आर मूवीज दैट फ्लॉप्ड. तो ही टुक दोज एज लर्निंग्स. ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस होता है, ठीक है फ्लॉप हो गए, लोग बेवकूफ हैं, बट व्हेन यू टॉक टू हिम, व्हेन यू वॉच हिज इंटरव्यूज, you would see how happily or how gracefully he accepts that, okay, this is something I need to work on, this is something I did not focus on, इसीलिए ये चीजें फ्लॉप हो गई, लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया. So I think over confidence में ये होता है, we are in our own world. गुलफशा is the best, बाकी सब एवे ही हैं. So that's what I feel overconfidence is. And yeah, we need to be, if we are not open to any feedback, I would consider that as an overconfidence.
Yeah, I also another thing is good. What I feel is being grounded as a trainer. Let's just be in our category. It's very important because whenever you're planning something, there is a lot of subjectivity around it, and whenever you're going there, it's very important to take the feedback and constructive criticism as well, because that makes you a better trainer. Like we were discussing earlier as well, all the experiences and conversations only can make you a better trainer. Of course, some fundamental knowledge should be there. Thank you so much for covering that as well. But since you have also been a part of development or social impact sector, and I know that is very close to your heart, so let's just talk about that also, except for the corporate training. We have seen a lot of time that a lot of confidence and or a lot of training related to behavioral skills training happen in the corporate boardrooms, and let's say in a lot of classrooms as well. In colleges, we do a lot of campus to corporate programs. But when we come to the society and communities, particularly I'm talking about tier 2, tier 3 cities and rural India, from that lens, if you think, how do you think that societal norms shape confidence, and especially I'm talking about the women?
So the very first thing is, for an example, I'll give you an example. That's how I generally talk. I give a lot of examples.
Happy
So when
to listen to, ma'am.
I went to in 2020, I went to Haryana. If you have heard of Mewat, I went to Mewat in Haryana. वहां पर एक गांव था, नई नगला गांव. There I went. We went there to train the youth. So when it came to holding conversations, talking, वो आके बता रहे सारी चीजें, they were confident. But when it came to employability skills, talking to strangers, going for interviews, all these skills that are needed to get a job, to get success in life, to grow in life, that's where they were lacking. वहां पर मेंटालिटी क्या होती है कि अगर आप मेजर क्या है, आपको जॉब करनी है, अब बाहर पढ़ाई पे कोई ध्यान नहीं देगा, जॉब करनी है, लाइवलीहुड काइंड ऑफ वैसा है। पीपल आर कमिंग फ्रॉम वेरी हम्बल बैकग्राउंड, तो उनका मेन मोटिव क्या होता है कि हमें खाने पीने का पहले इंतजाम करना है, पढ़ाई वगैरह बाद में होगी। एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द मेल्स, द the boys. I'm not even talking about the women right now. I'm talking about men. तो वहां पर वैसी मेंटालिटी है। अब जब व्हेन आई वेंट देयर, सो आई टॉक टू पीपल, एंड वहां पर क्या करते हैं, जब लड़के होते हैं, जैसे ही वो 18 के हुए उनकी शादी कर दी जाती है। ठीक है, पेरेंट्स का ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है शादी कर दो, बला टली, उनका एक खत्म हो गया, उनकी जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है वो खत्म हो गई। लड़के क्यों शादी करते हैं? क्योंकि उनको डाउरी में गाड़ी मिल जाती है। This was the reason. I asked them, why are you getting married at 18? There was one student who was like, who had a child as when he was only 24 or 25. I asked, why did you get married at such an early age? Like, मैम उस टाइम पे ना गाड़ी मिल रही थी, इसलिए शादी कर ली। और वहां के स्कूल्स वगैरह में भी जब हम जाएंगे, nobody talks about स्किल्स, नोबडी टॉक्स अबाउट कि आपको बाहर जाकर जॉब करना है, इंटरव्यू स्किल्स, एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स, ये सारी चीजें करनी है। इनफैक्ट हम टीयर 3 या 4, 2 की बात कर रहे हैं। हम यहाँ पर अगर अर्बन एरियाज की भी बात करें, कितने बच्चे, मैं आई हैव स्टडीड इन अ वेरी गुड स्कूल, बट देन अंटिल मास्टर्स के बाद व्हेन आई जॉइन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तब जाके मुझे कहीं कॉन्फिडेंस आया, वरना तो मेरे अंदर भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था। When we are talking about the confidence, I think उसका जो बेस है वही बेस ही नहीं है। You have been also working on, हम जाते हैं वहां पर, हम देखते हैं कि टीचर्स कैसे इन चीजों को पढ़ा रहे हैं, कि कोई स्किल बिल्डिंग पे काम ही नहीं कर रहा है। को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज जो स्कूल्स में होती है वो क्यों होती है? वो इसलिए होती है ताकि बच्चे बिल्डअप कर सके अपने स्किल्स को। बट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज हैपनिंग, वहां पर वो एक कंपटीशन बना देते हैं जहां पर सिर्फ वो बच्चे जाएंगे जो बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? वो मोटिव नहीं था एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज का। तो व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग, जो बेस है, जो बेसिक्स है, कि आप बच्चों को मौका तो दो। क्लास में जा रहे हैं, द वे वी आर कंडक्टिंग द सेशंस, व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज वी आर आस्किंग देम टू कम इन फ्रंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स, द होल क्लास, एंड देन डिलीवर व्हाटएवर दे आर डूइंग। तो जब आप खड़े होते हो, एक क्राउड होता है सामने, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो स्टेज फ्राइट होता है, भले ही आपके सामने जानने वाले लोग हैं। बट अनटिल एंड अनलेस वो उसको 50 बार 60 बार नहीं करेंगे, उनके अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा, और वही चीज हो ही नहीं रही है। तो जो बेसिक्स है कि आप कहीं से कॉन्फिडेंस ला रहे हो, आप किसी भी चीजों के बारे में, बट देन व्हेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर इंटरव्यू, और वहां पर पीपल आर गोइंग टू जज, तो वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आ रहा है, क्योंकि और फिर इट गोज बैक टू वो बेसिक्स ही नहीं है हमारे। जब बेसिक्स ही नहीं रहेंगे तो क्या होगा? And you have been going to the rural areas, you are conducting sessions there, you know how everything works.
Absolutely good. Also, the thing is that Mihan has been doing employability skills training with a lot of rural areas these days, particularly Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and at the same time in the southern part of India as well. What we have understood till now on the various part, even in the Konkan region, what we have understood till now, for particularly with the female candidates, when you talk about the employability skills, there is a lot of cultural expectations from them, and which we as a training and development professional, we need to make sure that we are keeping them in consideration while designing those trainings, because a lot of cultural expectation, the way they have been raised, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऊंचा बोलेंगे आप तो आप अच्छे बच्चे नहीं हैं, द गुड गर्ल सिंड्रोम इज नॉट फुलफिल्ड। आप अगर पलट के जवाब दे रहे हैं, सो द थिंग इज दीज थिंग्स आर द काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स दे हैव बीन लिसनिंग since their childhood, and these things actually make them feel that बोलना तो खराब चीज होती है। We are
True.
talking to friends is good, but if someone is elder than me or maybe in power dynamics, they are better than me, or maybe let's say they are HR and I'm just a student. That is not a good, and that is the kind of subtle messaging the societal norms have given to them, and that has always impacted the participants' self-belief, their voices, and the ability in how and what kind of space they're building for themselves in the world. And I think so, as a training and development professionals, while we are designing trainings for these kind of module, employability skill module particularly, or with the confidence training things, we need to be very sure that we are keeping that into consideration, which makes me and which brings me to the next question to you, Gul. This is more of about the designing. So since you're into L&D and you have been designing and delivering the modules, so I wanted to know what consideration or what are the key factors which you keep in mind while you're designing any kind of behavioral or soft skills session, or maybe sometimes with any kind of communication kind of skills sessions. What considerations you keep by yourself as a L&D specialist?
Okay, so I would say that if I get the TNA done, and then the people come up with कि हाँ हमारी expectations and these are the challenges we found, तो ठीक है, we already got the TNA is done, so we will move to the next part. But then if there is no TNA, there are times when it happen कि हमें communication पे काम करना है, but communication और soft skills में किन चीजों पे exactly काम करना है? What exactly do you want me to do? I need to know what exactly. So अगर वो नहीं हुआ है, so the very first thing is doing the TNA to understand the level of the audience, किस तरीके की audience है, उनमें किन चीजों को लेके हम better कर सकते हैं in respect to whatever we are doing or whatever department or business it is. That's the very first thing I do. The next thing that I try, the next step is to know the audience. आपने TNA कर लिया, you should also know the audience. अब किस तरीके की audience है, that's very important to. For an example, if I'm going to a university, to an university, or I'm going to a college, the audience is different. In corporate, the audience would be different. If I'm going to a rural area, audience would be different. Urban, different. Is it all? And of course, the age group as well, what age group I'm dealing with. So we need to understand the audience as well. अब मैं वहाँ एक college में जा रही हूँ, but then I'm keeping the training methodology as majorly as lecture and discussion based. नहीं उनको पसंद आएगा. Especially when we are talking about our generation in 2025 and the upcoming ones for sure. उनको नहीं पसंद आएगा, उनको lecture नहीं चाहिए, वो कहेंगे हाँ ठीक है हम चैट जीपीटी कर लेंगे, गूगल पे सब अवेलेबल है, हमको ये सुनने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So we need to bring some activities ताकि वो engaged रहे उसके through experiential learning. That's something we need to bring. So we need to, for that we need to understand the audience very well. Along with this, we also need to know what are the expectations, what are the outcomes we want from this particular training or the workshop. Absolutely. Because we need to, how would we otherwise measure कि हमने जो काम किया था वो एक्चुअली में वर्क कर रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है? How are we going to measure that growth या जो भी हमने किया है? So for that, of course, that's why we do the pre-assessment and the post-assessment thing as well. But how would we be able to do if we do not know what outcomes we want? On the basis of the outcomes, of course, the expectation, we would do the assessment, the pre, mid, and post-assessment that we do. That's there. Also, we have different types of learners. For an example, I am somebody who likes to do things to learn. अगर मुझे ऐसे बैठा दिया जाएगा and somebody will video के through या वैसे, I wouldn't like that a lot. I am somebody who likes to do it. And that's how I learn. So there are different types of learners. So we need to also make sure that whenever there is a room, you will get all types of learners. किसी को वीडियो से समझ आएगा, कोई ऑडियो विजुअल देखेगा, किसी को एक्टिविटी बेस्ड होगा, कोई खुद से होता है ना, खुद से करके करना चाहेगा. So we need to also understand and we need to make sure that our module, whatever module we are creating, it has something or the other for every single participant. And of course, I do a lot of what I do is though we do not find it, but then a lot of content related to training. That's what I have explored a lot. I really love to learn from other people. So what I do is on LinkedIn as well, when I find something very interesting that other trainer or the facilitator has done, I'll take a screenshot of that. That helps me to learn. वो एक नया एक वे आ जाता है, पर्सपेक्टिव आ जाता है, अच्छा इसको इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. There are
Absolutely.
many activities and every activity हम उसको अलग अलग वे में यूज कर सकते हैं. So what I do is I try to explore whatever I have. I write it down कि ठीक है मेरे पास ये चीजें हैं, but then what else can I do? So I explore a lot. And once you are prepared with the module, तब भी कोई गारंटी नहीं है कि जब आप क्लास में जाएंगे सब कुछ वैसा ही होगा.
जी, आई थिंक सो. इस पे तो सारे ही ट्रेनर वाउच करते हैं. इट्स जस्ट दैट वो होता है ना कि आप गूगल मैप्स पे डेस्टिनेशन लगा के चलते हैं तो वो दिखाता तो है कि चलो 50 मिनट में आप वहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे, दैट यू विल रीच इन 50 minutes. बट इन बिटवीन if there is any hindrance in the road, it can be 1.5 hours very easily, and you will still reach your destination, but the route will be like XYZ, okay, this coordinate to that coordinate. For sure, learning is also something like that. That outcome you will reach, but at the same time, some twists and turns, some new challenges, some subjectivity will always be there for sure.
Exactly. So for an example, when I went to Haryana, मैं गई पूरे जोश से. रूरल में जाना है, लोगों को करना है, लोग आएंगे एंड सारी चीजें होंगी. लड़कियों को नहीं भेजा, और जो उनके पेरेंट्स आए, तो फीमेल्स के साथ उनके पेरेंट्स आए, दे वांटेड. मैंने कहा कि मैं पढ़ाऊंगी. मैम पढ़ाई छोड़िए, आप उनको ना सिलाई कढ़ाई सिखा दीजिए. So now at that moment, obviously we had a long 3 months long training program क्योंकि pilot phase था. That's how pilot phases are, right? It takes a lot of time. So I had to build that rapport with those parents so that they could send their their daughters to our sessions, to our training. So उसके लिए बकायदा मुझे उनके घर जाकर उनसे बात कर कर उनको समझाना पड़ा. And in that, of course, I made many relations, connections बने, लोग जानने लगे. So they were curious as well. और अच्छी बात ये थी कि उसका फायदा हुआ. उनमें से जो 2 लड़कियां थी, पहले 4 आती थी, बट देन जब होता है ना कई बार, दे आर ऑल्सो बिल्ड अप दैट वे. सो समटाइम्स दे ऑल्सो डोंट, क्या है इससे, हमें कोई फायदा नहीं होने वाला, इसके बाद तो हमारी कुछ होने वाला है नहीं, 2 साल बाद शादी हो जाएगी, उसके बाद हम चले जाएंगे, ये कहाँ काम आएगा. तो वी हैव टू फाइट दैट माइंडसेट एज वेल. वहां पर वो माइंडसेट हो सकता है, यहाँ पर हम कॉर्पोरेट में काम कर रहे हैं, तो वहां पर कई बार ऐसा आता है कि इफ आई एम ट्रेनिंग द मैनेजर्स, ये क्या सिखाएगी, इससे ज्यादा तो एक्सपीरियंस हमारे पास है.
Absolutely, and this happens all the time when you are doing leadership trainings, and
Yeah.
maybe sometimes with the very specialized industry. For example, for BFSI industry, pharma industry, or maybe let's say if you go to any kind of fashion industry, the other thing is that is very skill-based industry, and everyone feels like, okay, we have done it already. What are you going to teach us or train us for? That happens.
Yeah, exactly. And also, so I had a very bad habit. That's something Shivani knows, and FEA people would know, that we had a habit of correcting the errors because that's what our job was. So we kept on correcting each other and nobody minded that. So after I left that organization and joined other organization, I learned it the hard way that you cannot go ahead, people get offended because of that. So we had to understand that as well. So there are times when, for an example, if I'm conducting a communication training and I have to train them on the language as well, because I have to see that. So if I correct any, I have to be very careful. I'm saying that, right? I have to be very careful with that. Offend na ho jaye. अगर कुछ करेक्ट कर दिया तो so you have to read the room as well कि कहाँ पर हो सकता है, because that's why the way we provide feedback as well, we have to be very careful with that. If the person would get offended, we cannot provide them in the class. We have to go one-on-one, and in one-on-one as well we have to try different methods, right? So yeah.
Absolutely, Gul. Thank you so much for providing a lot of technical L&D insight as well. Definitely, your audience must be feeling happy. Uh, so yeah, because we were talking a little bit more about training and development, and people who had worked with me and they know me, I love training and development. Training, learning, and development is the favorite thing which I would like to talk endlessly about. But yeah, like you were mentioning, Gul, that your training sessions, and I particularly have seen it on the Instagram and on the LinkedIn as well. It involves a lot of participation, lots of activities, and a lot of stepping out of the comfort zone. I still remember that I saw a video on your LinkedIn profile, and that was a corporate boardroom, and there was one participant who was singing an Ashiki 2 song. I think so, Tum Hi Ho or maybe Sun Raha Hai Na, some song they were singing. And I particularly had asked you that what was happening in your boardroom. So, it's a lot of stepping out of the comfort zone. But, for too many people we know, sometimes it's very difficult for them to come up. I'm not just talking about the development sector right now. It's very difficult for them to open up. It's very difficult for them to just be themselves in the training session, and it's very difficult for them to understand whether the trainer is giving these activities, so that must be for some learning for sure. For example, if I am asking them to come and speak upon something, or if there is any kind of extempore happening in the entire training session, they will reluctantly tell me that no, 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 ma'am, I am not going to speak. आप तो कल को चले जाओगे, मेरे मैनेजर ने मुझे फिर इसी बात पे मजाक उड़ाना है. A lot of time this has happened with me, and that's why I think so a lot of trainers are over here and they can relate as well. So when what I have realized with the soft skills training and behavioral skills training, and particularly on the topic and subject of confidence, and we have already established that it comes and roots from your upbringing as well, from where you are, from what kind of societal understanding you have. So, how do you ensure that your participants, particularly when they are handling your trainings, they feel safe, they feel supported, they feel confident when you are inviting them to take part in the activity? And as a facilitator in the room, how are you reducing that burden on them, that social consciousness burden on them, build the trust, build the relatability? But yeah, one more question. Since we also know that this confidence thing is more of a behavioral modeling, because you have to improve something for a longer period of time rather than behavioral skills training, it's more of a behavioral modeling if we read a little bit more about training psychology. So how do you make sure that within that very limited amount of time, maybe 3 days, 4 days, 10 days, because training is not going to go forever, right? How do you make sure that they feel safe and supported and confident, and also have fun while training and learn the outcomes as well?
So this is something that I learned in my first organization, FVA, and there we all use the facilitation method, where we made sure that there were different phases. Okay, so when the students or the participants are very new, we used to have that 60-40 ratio. So 60% the students would be speaking, and the 40% the facilitator would, which would again, so we would keep on increasing the ratio, like 80% and then 20%, 90% and 10%. That's what I try to do in the starting. So icebreakers do wonders. So there are icebreakers according to my audience, the kind of training I'm going to conduct. I love to conduct the icebreakers in the beginning. So what it does is it ease out the tension or any doubt or any hesitation that the participants have. So as trainers, if we are not conducting the icebreakers, or even if the teachers or you are going to conduct any meeting or anything, and that also makes the person hosting it feel more comfortable. It doesn't only make the participants comfortable, it also helps us to feel confident and comfortable. That's the first thing that I do. The second thing is reading your audience. So for an example, within half an hour or 1 hour, we get to know who all are the ones who can dominate, and who would be the one who would get dominated. So we definitely need to use different discussion methods. I made a series as well on that on link, and it's on LinkedIn, guys. You can go and see that. I have shared 19 methods, 19 discussion
Absolutely.
methods.
Beautiful videos. That I must compliment you on that.
Thank you so much, Shivani. Appreciate that. So there are different discussion methods. हो सकता है कि for an example शिवानी और गुलफ्शा है. Now शिवानी is the confident one and गुलफ्शा थोड़ी सी shy और hesitant, and she is like, अरे यार ये सही नहीं हुआ तो लोग हंसेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे, right? Because we have been taught since childhood, आंसर दो तो right ही दो, वरना दो ही मत. Because we were shamed for not giving the right answer. क्लासरूम का environment ही ऐसा था. तुम ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हो, ध्यान किधर है, गलत आंसर है, पढ़ाई लिखाई. एक गलत आंसर के लिए हमें 15 मिनट का लेक्चर मिलता था. तो क्या हुआ, वी स्टॉप. देना ही नहीं है आंसर. जब आंसर ही नहीं देंगे तो गलत कहां से होंगे. So that's the hesitation we all had, right? So what I try to do is, for an example, as I was sharing, Gulafsha और शिवानी है. So Gulafsha थोड़ी सी hesitant होगी, शिवानी is the confident one. So what I would do is I would pair them up. अब pair up कर दिया. So Gulafsha would be sharing her response to Shivani. Shivani would be doing that as well. अब Gulafsha के पास थोड़े और ज्यादा points आ गए. So maybe as a facilitator, I would go ahead, I would ask both of them, or I may go ahead, okay, Gulafsha, go ahead and share what you both discussed. So वहां से एक थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंस मिल जाता है कि हाँ ठीक है, हमने जो बोला एंड द अदर पर्सन ने जो बोला, सो वी गेट सम मोर पॉइंट्स एंड द पर्सन वुड फील मोर कॉन्फिडेंट, क्योंकि हम एक वैलिडेशन की खोज में रहते हैं. होता है ना, कई बार बहुत सारे थॉट्स आ रहे होते हैं एंड वी आर लाइक सही है नहीं है, बट उस एक किसी भी एक पर्सन से अगर वैलिडेशन मिल जाए कि नहीं, यू आर डूइंग द राइट थिंग, वी फील कॉन्फिडेंट. सो उस एक वैलिडेशन के लिए, इफ यू आर अ ट्रेनर, यू आर अ फैसिलिटेटर, टीचर, एनीबडी, दैट वैलिडेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. इवन इफ इट्स रॉन्ग, इट्स ऑल राइट. क्या हो गया, गलती तो हुआ ज्यादा से ज्यादा, बट देन ऑफ कोर्स एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट एज वेल, गो अहेड. गलत आंसर आ रहा है, दो, कोई बात नहीं, कोई कत्ल नहीं कर देगा. सही होगा, वेल एंड गुड, सही आंसर था. गलत होगा तो क्या होगा, सही आंसर पता चल जाएगा. इससे ज्यादा और क्या ही होगा.
क्या बात है, गुलफ्शा जी ने अपने नाम की तरह शायराना अंदाज में बोला कि कोई कत्ल नहीं कर देगा. And meanwhile, I'm looking at the chat section, and people have complimented a lot. Gulabshan, you can respond to that. And yes, so on this, Gulabshan, from my end, what have I've started to do, long back, is that if the room is very silent, and particularly this happens in our AI for Trainer certification course, because tech is something which makes us feel very, that very something happens. We become very nervous around tech. That okay, what will happen? We are not from technical background. We don't know how to code. We don't know how to do it. AI का मुझसे क्या लेना देना, मैं तो बहुत अच्छी ट्रेनर हूँ. बट अगर लेना देना है भी तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, जो होना है हो जाएगा. So all of these things, when we were doing our pilot in AI for Trainer, this came into the picture. So yeah, there is a section called, and we always say, okay, I don't need the right answer only. Give me wrong answers only. Then people start to give a lot of answers. For example, if I am asking, okay, what is this? So I don't want to know whether it is a mobile phone. I want to know. Some people will say it's a bottle. Some people will say it's a comb. Some people will say, okay, that is something. So that way they feel very engaged and they're like, okay, अब तो wrong answer ही तो देना है, यही तो सही है, चलो दे देते हैं. So yeah, that has really worked out for me in all the settings, in the corporates, in the development sector, in the online session. People say online sessions are mostly dead, but look at this cohort. People are so interactive, even if like we both are only speaking, but I can see people smiling, putting something in the chat box. So I always see, Yogita is saying that she says, she asks them to say kaddu if they don't know the answer. So yeah, I think so. Yes, definitely that icebreaker, that burst of laughter is something we all are looking forward to, and after that everything goes well only. So thank you so much for reminding that, Gul. But Gul, one more thing is there. But whenever I open Instagram or LinkedIn, because we are into a certain kind of algorithm, right? So what happens is I always get a lot of advertisements around, come to this workshop, in one day only you will become confident. And they say that okay, you want to build a business, come to this workshop. In 2 hours, you will know how to build the exact business, and you'll be confident. You'll be making 2 crores rupees every month per se. I'm just maybe exaggerating it a little bit, but some kinds of these courses, happen. So, it's filled with a lot of confidence building workshops, training, and certifications and modules. And almost everyone is offering something into the space, right? Now, the thing is, sometimes this happens that, okay, yeah, might be the facilitator can be can be putting a lot of value into that course for sure. So, as a seasoned professional, particularly with training and learning and development space, you have built a lot of courses, you have been with a lot of participants. So, what are your insights with the current training and L&D market, and especially when it comes to these 1 hour confidence building programs, where they are guaranteeing and giving you a certificate also that you are a confident human after 1 hour. So, and if you have any any suggestions to give fellow trainers, fellow L&D professionals, and someone who's about to launch a course like this particularly, who would like to create impact with this particular topic into communication skills or maybe into the confidence training. So, what would be that one suggestion you would like to give them?
So everybody, मैगी भी बोलता है कि वो 2 मिनट में बन जाती है, पर आज तक नहीं बनी.
अब
एटलीस्ट
वाली बन जाती है.
2 मिनट में तो कभी भी मैगी नहीं बनती है, ठीक है?
नहीं बनती है, कच्ची होगी आधी.
एग्जैक्टली, बेकार होगी, कच्ची होगी. एंड इफ यू वांट टू पुट वेजीज तो वो और ज्यादा टाइम लेगा. जितना बेटर बनाना चाहते हैं उतना ही ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. तो जब कोई बोलता है, सो आई डू नॉट हेजिटेट टू कॉल देम आउट. 3 दिन में कोई भी बहुत, यू मे गेट टू नो द मेथड्स, यू मे गेट टू नो द फ्रेमवर्क्स. एनीबडी कैन टेल यू. जितने भी ट्रेनर्स हैं यहाँ पर, जितने भी ट्रेनर्स हैं, पब्लिक स्पीकर्स हैं, जो भी कम्युनिकेटर्स हैं, दे कैन टेल यू द मेथड्स, द फ्रेमवर्क, एवरीथिंग. बट until and unless we are putting all those to practice, and मैं आपको 50 फ्रेमवर्क बता दूंगी, 50 छोड़िए, अभी मैं 4 फ्रेमवर्क बता दूं, उन चारों को भी इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए you will need some time. I'll give you an example. In my early days of training, okay, for 1.5 years, in the starting, during my induction, I got to know that I struggled with a sound that was j sound. मैं कैजुअल बोल लेती थी, प्लेजर बोल लेती थी, मेजर बोल लेती थी, बट जब क्लोजर बोलना होता था मैं क्लोजर करती थी. मैं क्लोजर करती थी, ठीक है? सो आई करेक्टेड दैट. मेरे को पूरे के पूरा 1 महीना लगा उसको करेक्ट करने में. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपेंड, आई वेंट टू माय ब्रांच, वहां पर कंडक्ट कर रही थी. नाउ दे वर माय स्टूडेंट्स, सो उनको मैं जो बताऊंगी उनके लिए उनका फैसिलिटेटर सही है. तो मेरा वापस क्लोजर जो था, क्लोजर हो गया. इनफैक्ट आई स्टार्टेड अवॉइडिंग दैट वर्ड, एंड देन आई बिकेम द ट्रेनर काइंड ऑफ थिंग, एंड आई बिकेम द स्टाफ ट्रेनर. मैं भाग नहीं सकती थी, आई वुड हैव टू यूज, क्योंकि वो हर लेसन में आई हैव टू यूज, आई हैव टू टेल क्लोजर हो रहा है. सो उस एक को ठीक करने के लिए वापस से मुझे 1 पूरा महीना लगा. एंड देन आई केप्ट ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग, सो नाउ आई प्रोनाउंस इट करेक्टली. सो आई प्रैक्टिस, मैंने उसको करेक्ट किया, 1 महीना लगा, बट देन आई स्टॉप प्रैक्टिसिंग, वापस से वैसा ही हो गया. सो एक वर्ड को करेक्ट करने में अगर मुझे 1 महीना लग गया, डू यू रियली थिंक एनीथिंग कैन बी डन इन जस्ट 3 days? आप फ्रेमवर्क सीख लीजिए, आप मेथड सीख लीजिए, बहुत अच्छा है. बट अगर कोई ये दावा कर रहा है, आई एम रेडी टू, दिस इज व्हाट आई से, आई एम रेडी टू पे यू 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, पर आप मुझे गारंटी देंगे? अगर आप गारंटी देंगे, आई एम रेडी टू पे. यू हैव टू राइट इट, यू हैव टू गिव दैट इन रिटन कि हाँ ये गारंटी है कि आफ्टर दीज 3 days you will be an amazing confident speaker. And trainers को जैसे बोलते हैं, if you attend these workshops or train the trainer thing, you will be earning in crores. But Shivani, you were not exaggerating. I have received such DMs where people told me, आप हमारा workshop attend कीजिए, आप करोड़ों में कमाएंगी.
We have made some systems and funnels which will take you from 0 to 2 crores.
Yes.
That is the exact message I have received before, right? I started this conversation. So that's why the question was there.
So that makes me wonder how, if you're giving me it in written, I would be ready to invest, but then my investment should not become a regret कि मैंने इतना invest किया चीजें कि because it's not only about money. People are investing their time, people are investing their energy, they're coming there with some hope, एफर्ट्स पुट करेंगे वहां पर, बट जब एंड रिजल्ट उनको वैसा नहीं मिलेगा तो कहीं ना कहीं वो डाउटफुल होता है. सो पीपल नीड, दे नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इफ दे नीड टू लर्न समथिंग और बिल्ड समथिंग, इट नीड्स प्रैक्टिस. फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, कोई सिंगर है या फिर कोई भी इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्ले करते हैं, लाइक यू प्ले वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट, आई फॉरगॉट द नेम, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली.
Sarangi, that's Sarangi.
सारंगी.
Sarangi, Sarangi, yes.
सारंगी, राइट. अब सारंगी, she has mastered it, but if she goes out of practice, do you really think कि same way में she would be able to do it, or anybody would be able to? Everybody keeps on practicing. Even if you have mastered the skill, you need to keep on practicing. If we don't वापस से back to the same, maybe हो सकता है थोड़ा सा better हो, उस सेम लेवल पे ना जाए, बट यहाँ से वापस से यहाँ ना आए, बट यहाँ आ जाएंगे. So we need to keep on practicing.
Absolutely, Gul. And on this, Gul, because we also come from the edtech space when we are talking about Mihan Learning and Development, and we also host three flagship programs. So, when we were doing our pilots, I'm telling you the other side of story as well. Initially, for trainers, the program used to be of at least 7 days, and we never have claimed that, you come and you joined AI for trainer. After 7 days, you can go ahead and take AI trainings. No, it's not made for that. It's to make you aware about what is available for you, how you can harness the power, and then after that you have to make a project, and that is a mandatory criteria to earn that certification if you really want. See, certification is nothing, but it's just a seal of trust. For example, if Mehan wants to work with you later on, and if I see that okay, you've gone through that project idea and then you have made something, so then only the certification will come back or the task whichever have been providing to you. But one more thing which we did was to make it valuable for people is that they can come every month to join this. Of course, we cannot make it mandatory for them to come every month and join it because it's a monthly flagship thing. Because everyone as a professional, they are not available. But we have kept that option open that if they are willing to learn, we'll not close our doors just because they have paid once and we have been done with our task. We'll not do it. They can, whenever this cohort is happening, they don't have to pay anything. They can come, they can join. No one will be removing them from the community. They can still harness it to promote themselves, to ask any question, to take help from any of the participants. But at the same time, we are also evolving on the part. But later on, the feedback we got that 7 days is too long. Ma'am, we cannot be there for 7 days. Or how can you expect from us कि हम 7 दिन आपके पास आएंगे? Then we made it. We had to cut it short for 3 days. But we cannot do it any further. I cannot ask my co-facilitator who is a data scientist as well कि आप आए और 2 घंटे में सारा AI पढ़ा दें. Because when we are talking AI, we are talking about the fundamentals as well. AI, learning and machine learning fundamentals, prompt engineering. So for us also on the other side of table, the accountability of the participant also is something which has to be there. That okay, I have joined this course. I want to learn from this, and of course, certification, no certification, that is a different thing altogether. But how I'm going to implement this learning will will make that person a better facilitator, a better trainer, or maybe let's say any of the certification you're taking, a better public speaker in case of confidence and these workshop. But I feel like that this is an exaggeration of the fact that okay, you just take one class, then after that there'll be no ties with you, and after that you will earn like 2 crore rupees in like 2 months or 1 month. I feel this is a slight exaggeration because market doesn't work like that. Being an entrepreneur, I can tell you all if you people are going to start your own trainingpreneur journey, even if you are starting as a freelancer as well. That is one of the thing we need to be very sure that it takes some time. Like we'll say, मैगी भी 2 मिनट में नहीं बनती है. Then Umu ma'am also said that, Preeta is also saying that learn the skill and become a freelancer to earn in dollars. Yeah, yeah, that is a scammers thing in line. And I will ask one suggestion from Gul on this as well, but from my end, I'll add something. Okay, so how to identify whether this particular investment you're going to do on your career and your upcoming journey with respect to any of the tools out there, with respect to any of the courses out there, and this is going to help you with your journey. is that always audit the content of the course and who is the facilitator, how exactly they have been training people. So you should always ask questions first of all. Second thing I think so is that are they actually taking you to Mount Everest on day one only, or you're taking you through a gradual journey? I think so that is also one of the things, because in journey we learn a lot of things. Because there is no red or green flag around it. Everyone has their own way to do business and to learn something. But yeah, I think so. I always take these two questions in consideration when I am looking forward to invest something on myself in terms of learning. Will you would like to give any suggestions on how to identify what kind of program or products are going to work if we are looking forward to any journey?
So for me, it's also about, do we want to be in that bed chal?
Yeah, absolutely.
So because everybody is doing it. So Rajesh sir has mentioned something in the chat box that they are earning a lot.
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, why are they earning a lot? Because people like us, maybe we are not exploring, we are not asking questions, we are not looking at the feedback as well. Like you shared, right? We need to know who the facilitator is. Are we checking the kind of feedback the person is receiving, or is it all about जो भी वो बोल रहे हैं, we are believing them? So there are times when there people reach out to me and they tell about their workshop and everything. So my question is कि आपके testimonials दिखाइए आप, because that's important.
Absolutely.
And if you're telling me that I would be able to earn this much,
Mm-hmm.
whatever figure you are sharing, you have to give me some valid proof,
True,
because I
Cross.
am going to invest my money and that's my hard earned money. मैं ऐसे ही नहीं invest करूंगी,
Absolutely.
मैं वेस्ट नहीं करने वाली हूँ उस चीज को. So I need some testimonials, I need the valid proof that okay, after this I would be able to do it. Also, we also need to understand, even if we get the certification, for an example, it's for the trainers who are going for train the trainer kind of thing and all. So if you're going for that, अगर 3 दिन का वर्कशॉप हो चाहे 1 हफ्ते का वर्कशॉप हो, and they are saying कि after that they are means they are saying and they are putting it there on different platforms publicly that you would be able to earn this much after a particular program or the workshop, right? We need to ask them, we need to understand, are they going to provide us support after that as well or not?
Very important. That is actually very important, Gul. A lot of time people have come back to us after doing our L&D specialist program and AI for trainers program. Whenever they are going for an interview per se, they want to revise. They want like, okay, ma'am, can you help me prepare for this? See, for us, when we are talking building about Mehan, for us, that is what we are here to do. We really like to interact, help them, support them at that moment. Okay, okay, you want a proposal? Take this kind of we use this kind of template. If it helps you, take it. If you want, let's say, any kind of module, if we have that, we are very happy to share that, because at the end of the day it is all about the kind of direct contact they can have. They are not just paying for that material which you are providing. Again, like you said, chat gpt has everything, Google has everything, they can go ahead and download everything. There's nothing extraordinary about it. But I think so the courses, the TTT courses are intended to do it systematically. A. And then there is some sort of discipline that, okay, I have to sit with my notebook and pen at 7 p.m. in the evening, and 7 to 9:30, there is a facilitator who is doing it. See, I think so. We all should agree that adults also need some schooling when it is about learning, right? But at the same time, I think so. It's also about what after that, like you said, after 3 days or 7 days of that course, if you have the direct contact with the person, right? I think so that is the best way to go forward and look forward to. Also, Gul, I know the time is short, but I also wanted to ask two questions. I think so that is the kind of question, if someone asked me, I feel very happy to answer. So I think so I should ask you that. Okay, so Gul, now you are at a stage in your career where, see, you have fans around the corner of the world. I think so. Everyone is like, "Yay, Ghost content is very nice. It's very pretty. We should also make something like that." Or maybe, you're very approachable, very relatable to people as well. And I admire that. So, but if you look back, if you just can take a reflection to your journey, uh, when was that one particular moment or instance, or something, maybe a milestone, maybe a failure, when you felt that Gul has done it, or whatever I wanted to do, I have done it. I have became what I wanted to become, but at the same time, वो जैसे दिल्ली में लोग बोलते हैं ना कि आपने उसे फोड़ दिया है, खत्म कर दिया है आपने वो इंडस्ट्री में फोड़
थोड़ा
दिया है, या फोड़ दिया है. So what when was that moment and when did it come in your life कि आपको लगा कि यार अभी तो अच्छा कर दिया है, इसके आगे मुझे जो करना है, it is more of about I will give to people as well, and at the same time I'll grow along with them. But कब आपको ऐसा लगा है अपने जीवन में कि आपने फोड़ दिया है?
So there have been, I guess, it would be like there have been multiple moments where I felt like कि हाँ, whatever I'm doing, कुछ तो अच्छा कर रही हूँ. Abhi recently I had conducted a session for college students. वहां पर I went 2 times. Okay, so the second time I went, first time I went, I conducted the sessions, and then after that they asked for the feedback. So I shared the feedback, and then I noticed a boy. Well, like कि आप क्यों नहीं बोल रहे मैम? तो he told me थोड़ा सा hesitation हो रहा है because of my English and all. Like then I gave him multiple examples of the cricketers and all the people जिन्होंने overcome किया, successful people जिनकी English इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, but what people now remember is their contribution to their field. So I tried to motivate that person. Second time when I went there, the student, okay, the boy participated a lot. So उसको जितना आ रहा था, जो आ रहा था, and I didn't go like ये wrong answer है, सही answer है. I was accepting whatever answers he was giving. And his CR, she came to me at the end of the session and she was like, ma'am, 2 साल हो गए हैं, I have never seen this boy participating even a single time in class, but आज आपके session में he spoke a lot. He felt confident and comfortable enough to share everything. In that moment I felt कि हाँ, again, वो अभी recent का moment था जिसमें I felt I am doing something good.
Absolutely good, and we all have been seeing you doing good. But look at the lovely smile you have while telling about this moment, and I think so. In life, we all should live for these moments in life when we can smile ear to ear and glow with happiness and be proud of ourselves, very content that okay, this is what we are going to do. No matter if you are a trainer, and no matter if you are, let's say, a finance professional, or maybe let's say you're working at a government facility, private facility, and at the same time entrepreneur. I think so. These are the moments we actually live for. That okay, I have done something good. And before we wrap up, Gul, last question for tonight, because I know it has become a lot for you to speak about. But yeah, last question is also again the fun one. आगे हमें गुल से क्या दिखने वाला है? मतलब ठीक है, हमें पता है आप वर्कशॉप करते रहते हैं, आपकी काफ़ी सारे क्रिएटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. We are also seeing a lot of community initiatives you're taking. We are also seeing, looking forward to a lot of collaboration with Mihan as well on different kind of TTT courses. But at the same time, is some kind of sneak peek you would like to give to us if you're building something behind the scenes and no one knows, and if you want to reveal it over here, ensure that what are the next steps we would like to see in your
So
journey?
this is
Yeah.
something I have been working on. People have reached out to me to train them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is something I did in past for like 1 month. It was a 1 month long program, but I have been receiving a lot of requests from people, and I am scared. I cannot go and like 3 दिन में मैं तुम्हारा public speaking अच्छा कर दूंगी या communication अच्छा कर दूंगी. I cannot do that. I feel if somebody is investing time and efforts, I should be able to give because I'm liable for that. वो एक होता है, वो अंदर से है कि they should, at the end of the whatever program they are attending, at the end of that they should be able to achieve the objective with which they came to attend. So it's taking a lot of time because I'm working on it. People are reaching out and like, I'll come up with that. I am preparing it. So inshallah, in the nearby future, near future, I would definitely love to launch such a program, but with the intention that people actually achieve the goal they join the program for.
Absolutely, Gul, and all the very, very, very best
Thank you so
for
much.
this ambition. And actually, we need it for sure. Rajesh sir wants to say something, sir. Please go ahead.
First of all, thank you, you both dolls or what all you call. You're very younger to me for making this session very, very interesting and all. And Gul, thank you. You nicely explained requirement of PNA and all other things, which like I was not aware much of that. And one thing I don't know is my very novice and child in this field. Every corporate like they have got L&D officer, they have HR. Then why they outsource these trainings and all to others, and they invite them. You come and train us. And second is like I used to think only small industries and only they are calling us and all. But you said students and those things. You went to small towns also. They were totally. I didn't get it. From where you get all this being trainings and all?
Okay, so in the first organization, it was an NGO. The name of the organization was Freedom Employability Academy. So it was training people, the students, and everybody who was above 18 on employability skills. So under that, I went to the rural area where we conducted that program, and now the organization is doing much better in the rural areas. So it is expanding, and it has been there in many states.
And why corporate call us when they themselves have L&D officers with them?
So see, for an example, I would tell you now, when in my department, I am the only trainer. Okay, I am the only trainer. There is no L&D department. However, in a different department, we do have a proper training and development. Now, for my department, if I am a soft skills and communication trainer, but then if they need somebody who gives training specifically for sales, they would need a different trainer, another trainer, because that's not my area, right? So for that purpose, they would hire somebody else.
Sir, can I add something in between?
Yes.
On this as well. Sir, so now the thing is that why corporates are looking forward to external trainers when they themselves have a particular L&D department is sometimes it's also the cost and investment thing as well for them. See, the thing is, ma'am, like Gulabsha is saying that she is the only trainer in the organization she's working as of now. Now the thing is, if they're hiring someone for let's say 6 months, so from the HR perspective, it is going to be a cost everything because the person's need is not there for the longer period of time. So all the training and everything, all the grooming they are going to do, that is going to be in vain and person will go somewhere else, right? So in that case, one thing is that. Second, so training is an ever evolving field and it requires a lot of skill set. Every other day there's something else. For example, I'm taking again AI as example because a lot of openings I'm seeing about AI enabled trainer. So now the thing is that even if you have mastered, let's say ChatGPT or let's say any of the learning management tools, the next day there's a new version of it and you have to do it. Now if you're working in a corporate workspace, that growth hinders and they need that skill set. So rather than investing that kind of skill set or that kind of investment within the organization, they invite other people to come and then take the session. Third, a very important perspective in this is one more thing, sir. When you're coming to an organization, for example, you being into defense, and you can take a lot of modules for let's say Mehan. We are a corporate, you can take with us. But when you are going from us, like when you're going to some other place with my name, that okay, last time I took the training with Mian. So you are also taking my marketing and goodwill also along with you. You will also say, so now other company might not know of Mehan before you came into the picture, but now they know, oh अच्छा अच्छा मेहान करके भी एक कंपनी है, ओके ओके राजेश जी ने वहां पे ट्रेनिंग ली है, ओके ओके ठीक है तो बढ़िया कंपनी, अच्छा किस चीज की ट्रेनिंग है, सो राजेश जी बता देंगे कि अच्छा अच्छा नहीं मतलब ट्रेनिंग एंड स्किलिंग सॉल्यूशंस
Great.
की है। तो वो जो कहते हैं ना कि इंटर इंडस्ट्री जो कोलैबोरेशंस होते हैं, गुडविल
Okay.
ट्रांसफर जो होता है, that also happens with trainers, and that's why they prefer to hire consultants instead of having a very big L&D department within themselves.
Okay, great. And what is mainly like what are the main modules? Leadership and also their leadership communication. They are fall in one same module or they are separate?
So
Empathy,
completely
communication, skill and leadership.
So it completely depends upon the organization's need. Like Gulf was mentioning about a terminology which is training needs analysis. So training needs analysis, every HR department does in their own organization. It can be with the competitor analysis. It can be with the analysis of what the people are telling them. Okay, we need this kind of training. So sometimes you will see in communication, most of the things will be there. Sometimes you will be like, okay, in soft skill, everything is getting covered. So it is very organization and very participant specific, sir. If you want to, if you would like to read more about it, please ping me on WhatsApp. I'll send you across some documents, maybe or some research papers, and then that will give you a little bit more clarity about it, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Shivani. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Uh,
Thank you, Gul.
and
Thank you.
yes, yes, good. It's good only. Yogita and Umu wants to want to ask something. Umu raised hand first, so I'll give it to Umu. See, I'm being a school teacher, people in conversation with.
Amazing. Good evening, everyone. I'm sorry for coming late. I was like in the middle of something, but still, I don't want to miss it. First of all, congratulations to Gulab Shah, and so happy with you people. It was an insightful session, and I would like to add one or two points for Mr. Rajesh here. He was asking corporates were already having their trainers in anything, L&D or any other training thing, but they require trainers from outside. This is what you meant. I understood
Yeah.
likewise.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
we do have a mummy at home, but still, when we see aunties, we are like flying in colors. So we have our trainers with all smiles, effects, and everything, but still, we need a new face.
Okay.
We need a new
Great.
style,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
This is what the perception of a human being. They always want something new, like a fresh coffee or like a new fresh breeze, an interval to for everything. Even our
Yeah. Yeah.
trainers at home, they need break, right? Holiday break.
Yeah. Thank
So
you, ma'am.
when they
Thank you.
come from outside, these people, what they do, जो भी questions छुपे हुए थे, these questions they will openly ask the trainer who comes from the outside because they doesn't know the secrets of the company. हमारे trainers को हमारे secrets of the company मालूम है.
Suppose I'm going to conduct a leadership thing, whether those audience will
Right.
speak anything against their leaders themselves are sitting there.
Possibly they will not allow because they will be taken care at the backside once everything is done. So it is like, मुझे आपको मालूम नहीं, I don't know you. You don't know me. I can be open. I can be free. So the
True,
free
true.
mixing of their own employees with the new person will bring a best bond in the company. It has actually happened. It has made changes. राइट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि हमारी ट्रेनर्स को कुछ आती नहीं ये तो एक से बढ़कर एक है पहले से
फिर भी
but
बाहर
still
वाला
they
आते हैं।
wanted to know right they wanted to take the filtration of the innocence filtration of the truth बाहर के लोगों से ये निकालने वाले हैं which they are actually
Yeah.
doing which is a great Chanakyan diplomacy corporates do that
And they
because
keep
these
changing also
corporates
outside. Like, or they continue
they
with one only, they
yeah
keep changing very frequently.
right
Yes.
they don't keep the exact trainer for the first 3 months no they won't these corporates are the clever Chanakyans which people have to understand it will take another century to do this is what is actually happening also that's why training industry they have certified people from all the world आपके पास सर्टिफिकेशन है कहाँ से है मैं यहाँ से
Yeah.
सर्टिफाइड हूँ यहाँ से सर्टिफाइड हूँ यहाँ से सर्टिफाइड हूँ everything is there in a corner but still we learn from the platform like here we are coming so she gave so many fantastic insights and बीच में जो शायरी थे I was like enjoying you won't trust me if I say those Maggie thing you said and कतल वाला thing you said these things and all I was like wondering हाँ अगर ट्रेनिंग में बोलेंगे इसका इफेक्ट तो मजा ही होगा because you cannot blabber just like that and जो भी हम लोग बीच में भी cut the session We cannot talk just like that. We are not like Nehru or Gandhi, where people sit for an hours and wait for the freedom and ask what is they are doing, what they are telling. No, we are living in the interactive world, right? We are
True.
not dumb, we are not deaf, we can see, we can hear, we can make sure everything is in the normal mode so that we can enjoy everything and learn everything. That is what a trainer is doing, right? Either you go for offline, you do that in online, or you do in hybrid mode, whatever it is. A trainer does the duty if the trainer knows what they are doing.
True.
मैंने एक
True.
सेशन अटेंड की थी एक बहुत बेहतरीन ट्रेनर से, एंड ही गेव द टाइटल ऑफ द ट्रेनिंग एज ट्रेनर बाय मिस्टेक. मुझे ये टाइटल पहले में समझ में ही नहीं आया. और he explained he is like trainer for more than 44 years in aviation. Such a
Oh,
fantastic trainer. You people will really be blessed if we can give a training for you people. And उन्होंने बताया देखो जो भी सर्टिफिकेशन कर लेते हैं फर्स्ट 15 डेज में, और बाकी 10 दिन में वो रिवीजन कर लेते हैं, 30th डे में ट्रेनिंग का टैग लगा लेते हैं, और दे विल बिकम द ट्रेनर. उनका इंस्टा में पोस्ट है, लिंक्डइन में पोस्ट है, फेसबुक में पोस्ट है, व्हाट्सएप में पोस्ट है, एवरीथिंग दे हैव, दे बिकम द ट्रेनर. And they call themselves a trainer also. They give some training. We cannot blame each and everyone who calls them as trainers. They are training. And उन्हों अपने first step से next step आ रहे हैं. They are doing it. We have to appreciate. But this flaw will not allow others to learn something, right? झूठे कहानियां कभी भी बन के नहीं रहते, right? इतिहास बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है. It will take eternities to do. है ना?
true. Thank
मैं
you.
बोलती
Thank you.
पहला वाला ट्रेनर तो मम्मी है. She does her work perfectly. है ना?
Absolutely, Umu.
Second
Thank
trainer
you
तो
so
daddy
much.
है,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Daddy does that.
absolutely.
Third trainer, the best, worst, and the nightmare of your life is your teacher. They
That's
will
true.
make you sure you read everything, you learn everything, you do whatever you want. But जिसी को भी ऐसे वाले ट्रेनर और टीचर मिल जाते हैं, they are the best trainers in the world, I'll tell you. यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं, आपने कभी नील डाउन की है क्या? पनिशमेंट ली है क्या? डंडा पे मार पड़ी है क्या? इम्पोजिशन लिखी है क्या? That's why you people are here today. You know the pain, right?
Umu is
You know
reminding
the
me of
pain,
my school days.
right?
I
20
was
times imposition, you write. 50 times imposition, you might have written. Your parents know this. But today, writing 2 times imposition is the worst part of your children. यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा, वहां पे दर्द हो रहा, हैंड राइटिंग नहीं आ रहा, पेंसिल टूट गया, निब टूट गया, एवरीथिंग इज गॉन. पुट अ पनिशमेंट लेटर और सेंड एन मैसेज टू द स्कूल दैट माय चाइल्ड इज सिक, दे कैन नॉट राइट द imposition, गॉन, डन. हम लोग बिगाड़ रहे हैं हमारे जनरेशन को. जेनजी तो वर्स्ट ऑफ द पार्ट. And by the way, I'm the mother of 5 kids. I know these child mentality already. Inner child mentality or children ka mentality, I know the psychology. So
And
it's
also,
wonderful. Actually, I wanted to add this crown on Gulshan Khan's head because she gave the insights in
Gulabsha is the
such a way.
queen.
Wow, amazing, amazing. Such a small girl. Her thoughts are amazing. I think Rajesh, I have given you some at least 1 or 2 points, but I'm
No,
sorry if
you
I've
have given
confused
many
you.
points to me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And
Okay.
I'll be happy if everyone can be awake because I think I'm sound and clear. Everybody
And
can
thank
listen
you,
to
thank
me.
you. Great, great,
Most
great.
welcome, and I'm
Thank you.
waiting
Thank you
actually.
so much for joining, Umu, and we are looking forward to see you soon in conversation with On the Spot of Gul, by the way.
Hopefully,
So ma'am is
hopefully,
going
hopefully.
to, I think so you people are already in conversation, people. So please join whenever Umu
Right.
is here for all the insights. Meanwhile,
I do, I do.
Yogita wanted to speak something, and I think so we didn't take her question, so she
No,
was
no,
like,
no, no,
okay,
no.
lower the hand,
It's
हाथ में दर्द हो गया होगा. Yes,
no, no,
Yogita.
no, no. No, no, it wasn't so. Actually, I and Yogita put our hand up for that. That was just conversation. So right now we are all good. Okay, sorry about that. We both of us.
Okay, okay, okay. No worries. Yogita, still you would like to say something? And happy to see you over here. You sure? Come, please
Yes,
unmute.
yes. No
Okay.
problem, no
So
problem.
people on this, I think so. I never miss a chance to appreciate my teammates when it comes to Mihan. So we are actually going to take a lot of employability skills training in the further time in rural India with the women, with the girl, mostly with the age group of 15 to 29. And Yogita has beautifully instructional designed a few of our modules, and I'm very proud of her on doing that because it's very difficult to explain everything in the form of mobile video that okay career क्या होता है, career path क्या होते हैं, कितने time के होते हैं. It's a lot of responsibility as well, but thank you Yogita for taking that and beautifully doing it. So I think so it's time to close down as Gul might be feeling that okay dinner is ready for her. Ashwin, you would like to say something since you're looking very curious, very perplexed. You would like to say something?
Thank you. It was a wonderful session, both of you. We had a lot of insights actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and I have the particular thing is about the trainer's mindset. How the trainer's mindset is adapted to different scenarios or different audiences is what intrigued me actually.
absolutely, Ashwin. And like I always say in my TTT session when I'm facilitating, that adaptability is the superpower of a trainer. Never lose that.
Yeah.
So yeah, with that I think so एक और शायरी का समय हो चला है दोस्तों. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था मुझे गुल का नाम ही शायराना लगता है. तो जब मैं अपनी स्क्रिप्टिंग कर रही थी तो मैंने अपने शायरी के खजाने से कुछ कुछ शायरियां निकाली और मैंने कहा गुल का स्वागत और गुल को बाय बाय हम शायरियों के साथ ही करेंगे. तो दोस्तों अर्ज किया है आप लोग इरशाद इरशाद कर सकते हैं.
इरशाद इरशाद।
Irshad,
जी.
Irshad.
तो कल भी
Irshad.
जिसको था तलाश मंजिल, कल भी जिसको था तलाश मंजिल, आज वो खुद रास्ता दिखाता है. कल
वाह
भी था
क्या बात
जिसको तलाश मंजिल, आज वो खुद को रास्ता दिखाता है. ये सफर उनका ही रोशन होता है दोस्तों, जो अंधेरों में भी दिया जलाता है. सो विद दैट थैंक यू सो मच गुल. दिस वाज जस्ट फॉर
I'm
यू.
humbled.
एंड आप ऐसे ही अंधेरों में दिए जलाते रहें और आप अपने साथ साथ दूसरों का भी सफर रोशन करते रहें और इन कॉन्वर्जेशन विद 2.0 3.0 15.0 करते रहें एंड मिहान के साथ भी जुड़े रहें और बाकी लोगों के साथ भी जुड़े रहें. Because honestly, we all learn a lot from you, and I'm very humble to host all of you today. Thank you so much for being a part and staying for like 1.5 hours in the generation when people
Yes.
mostly say that okay, you know, ऑनलाइन सेशन में ऐसे इंटरेक्टिवनेस नहीं होता है. ट्रस्ट मी मुझे ऐसा प्रॉब्लम कभी नहीं हुआ है एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर नॉट प्रूविंग मी रॉन्ग बाय द वे.
Thank you so much, everybody. It was really nice to have you all. And thank you so much. Like, you all stayed till now. So I am hoping that the conversation was good and
And
fruitful.
absolutely. And all thanks to Yogita for aligning this, Yogita and Preeta for aligning this conversation with Laksha. Yogita is the one to reach out to people. If you also want to come here and then talk to us, see, in conversation with is a kind of podcast series. This is the third season, by the way. First season was on Herky. Second season was on Instagram. Third time we are doing it on Zoom and putting it on YouTube for the larger audience because we understand that we all are professional. We all cannot be available possibly at the same time. But on YouTube, it's an open source. And at Mihan, we believe in giving in the open space because it's a kind of community building for us as well. Community building for trainings and learning and development professionals. But at the same time, all the other good human beings out there who are doing wonders in their own life. So you can also tune into YouTube if you have missed a few sessions from In Conversation With. You will find us by Mihan Trainings over there. On Instagram, you will get any other thing, any other Conversation With series episode we are doing. And on LinkedIn also, you can find us. On your chat box, we have already the link of Ms. Gulab Shah, LinkedIn link of Ms. Gulab Shah, so you can reach out to her. She is an amazing human being. She never says no to good questions. I know that because I have pestered her a lot. So, with that, if you want to reach out to us for anything, the number is in the chat box for anything, not only for any courses or anything. It's just that if you just want to talk about something, you are looking forward to maybe having an insight, and you are a trainer, you're just starting your journey. We'll be very happy to be with you in this journey, and whatever we can do for you, we'll do for you. And I'm also putting the number, or Seema ma'am, can you put the number? Or I'll put the number. I think so. That will be great because I remember this number by heart. So you people can reach out to us on WhatsApp and I'll say hi to you over there. Till then, good night, people. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Good night, all of you.
Thank you so much.
But remember that, you know, whatever Shivani has said here, I second that because I'm a person like Rajesh, the way you have started, I started afresh as in the way in terms of L&D. But other than that, so this girl, she has literally won me over by the way she is. And I have met all these wonderful people. All kudos to Shivani. And I can tell you that she will never, ever, let you down. She's one hell of a person I have known. And through her, Gul, really lovely meeting you.
I
All
said,
for
ma'am,
the
feelings are mutual.
all
Thank
for the
you.
love of training, learning, and development people.
Yes.
And thank you so much. And we have our
Yes,
website link. Thanks to my wonderful co-founder, Miss Preetha. She has put the website link for you. And also, what's the name of the organization? It's a big one because we are very detail oriented. We didn't want to leave anything. So we put L&D training, skilling, everything into the name. So with that, I close this conversation. Thank you so much. Looking
One
forward
thing,
to your training.
one thing I would like to add here, because people say Corona was the worst part of the world because blah 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 blah. But for me, after Corona only we started meeting everyone towards this laptop.
Yes, absolutely.
पूरी दुनिया laptop के अंदर, wherever you are in this world, we can see you, right?
So true.
So that
Yep.
one thing I appreciate this evolution. वहां से यहाँ तक घर पे बैठे बैठे you can see people, you can learn so many things, right? For every 1 century you have a disease and evolution is coming. वो तो इतिहास है. But this technology is amazing. We can meet each and everyone here, right? On laptop or phone, whatever it is, you have the Wi-Fi and data pack ready for the meeting and start pestering people. कुछ ना कुछ उनके दिमाग से लेकर आना ही है. आपको सीखना ही है, सिखाना ही है. Very good attitude, right? ये वाला मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ, ये वाला तो
People
हमें
keep
बहुत
on
अच्छा लगता है.
people blame करते हैं कोरोना को, वो तो अलग पार्ट है. मुझे ये बात वाली ना, I used to feel कोरोना तेरे लिए थैंक यू है, तूने दुनिया को ना मेरे लैपटॉप में बंद कर रखा है. आई एम सो हैप्पी विद यू.
ठीक है. Thank you so much, Chunu. And Mu and Seema ma'am, reach out to Mu because we need to hear more dedicatedly, like for 1 hour. Yes, yes.
Absolutely.
And Yogita is also saying thumbs up. So Umu, you're now surrounded by Team Mehan. They are going to take you from Chennai to this laptop, this in conversation with only.
Amazing,
And
amazing. For
For
Ashwin,
sure.
sure.
I think so. You should also reach out to us, Ashwin as well, because I have been seeing very good insight. He was putting in the comment box something and something. So we'll be very happy to listen from you, Ashwin. See, in conversation with is not for just training and development folks. It's open for everyone. It's just that हमें बातें करना पसंद है, लोगों से बातें करके हम सीखते हैं, तो आप आएंगे तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
ठीक है.
For sure, for sure, for sure. And wonderful thanks to each and every one of you who made this day a best one. And I'll take the times, I'll take the dates for you. And I'll have the conversation with Shivani and Seema. And Seema so loving you. Like she called me the other day. It was like a surprise. I was wondering who's this calling me. And she told me so many things. And I felt like, wow, she remembered me. And she
Thank
started
you.
praising me in such a way I felt like being loved. Wow, wow, wow. This tree was
You
started
are
mentioning.
lovable, Mamu. You
Thank
are
you so much,
lovable.
Seema. When you say this now, it is more loving again.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Okay.
See you
So
guys
now people
welcome.
are waiting for dinner, and I'm leaving you all to go. Thank you so
Right.
much.
Good
And
night.
finally,
Thank
the
you so
last
much.
time. Thank you so much and good night.
Good
I
night.
can
Night.
see
Thank
Gul.
you
Gul
so
is like,
much.
my dinner is waiting.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Bye,
Good
everyone.
night.
Thank you so much.